Welcome to EchoChat Memory. Helps you take control of your AI memory context across major platforms. Lets you extract, organize, and reuse what matters. Let's start by extracting memories from a conversation. EchoChat automatically detects meaningful content from your conversation. Once saved, you'll see a confirmation message showing that the memory was successfully memorized. You can review what was extracted. All your memories live inside the EchoChat Memory dashboard. Here, you can add new memories manually, view existing memories, and manage their sources. Each memory shows when it was created and where it came from. Your memories are not tied to a single AI. EchoChat Memory is designed to travel with you across platforms and tools. When you start a new query, you can trigger memory optimization. EchoChat searches your past memories and retrieves relevant context automatically. Your prompt is then rewritten to be clearer, more specific, and more effective. Again, this happens with a single click. Your privacy matters. To learn more, visit our privacy policy. Thanks for using EchoChat Memory.